Before I get super busy with mom life and everything, this is how your package would come when you shop. With us, I have my little helper here in the corner. So here is my brand new Michael Kors bag. Unwrap it. It's such a super cute bag for work. I'll do what's in my work bag. One of these days, probably tomorrow. I don't know. I can't promise you guys stuff like that. But it's so cute. Look how big it is. And if you're like a super businesswoman, you obviously are like me, so you carry your laptop, your jumbo iPad, your phone, your planner, your notepad, snacks because you're a mom, or just love snacks like me. And you need space for all that. So it comes with a little pamphlet as well. Letting you guys know it is what it is, and it actually goes cute with my outfit, which you can also buy. And yes, we are gonna end Friday like this. I'm gonna go pack my bag with snacks, and if you want this bag, you know where to find it. Hearts, kisses. I'll come back with the vibe of the day that I've been feeling all day. So I will talk to you guys not soon, but soon enough. Bye.